Text, LG phone.
How to enable Wi-Fi calling on an LG phone.
A person accesses the contacts on a mobile phone and clicks on the contact for Dylan.
Wi-Fi calling is a feature that allows you to successfully make and receive calls via connected Wi-Fi networks when your cellular data signal is too weak or non-existent.
The home screen of the mobile phone.
To enable or disable Wi-Fi calling, tap on the phone icon. Then tap on the three-dot menu button at the top right. Tap on Call Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi calling, then turn the toggle on or off.
The person turns the toggle off.
You should also tap on Update Current Emergency Address and put in your home address. This feature allows E911 systems to verify the address you have entered when you are on a Wi-Fi call and a cellular network is not available. What's more, you can tap on when roaming and choose if you want your phone to prefer other cellular networks or Wi-Fi when you are outside of your carrier's coverage area. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccurate or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, this video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, in whole or part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.